So Robinhood introduces a feature aimed at protecting investors from crypto volatility. Ooh, got that on the first try. I thought I was gonna mess that up, dude, because I was saying volatility the whole time. But it's a pretty interesting article that we're gonna be speaking about today because me and John are very familiar with Robinhood. We've used Robinhood in the past. We don't currently use it I don't currently use it anymore. I'm not sure if John does.
Yeah, I have some stuff on there.
But I stopped with Robinhood just because every time I would do something, it would be some weird, freakish, like blowout or lockdown or something. It would just be so weird, dude.
My Ethereum is stuck on there.
I would just be like, you know what? I'm done with Robinhood. I'm done.
A lot of all of my Ethereum and is on there. I can't take it off because if I take it off, I'm selling it. You can't. I think I sucked my wallet. Robinhood, there's no wallets, so the only way for me to get it out is to get it into fiat and then move
transfer
to fiat. Yeah, but then if I'm especially how the market is going, I'm taking a loss. I'm not taking a loss right now.
Right, you might as well just keep it in there.
$200, like it's just stuck there. So until it goes on its little run, I could sell it no matter what. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna sell it, and then I can just,
put it to where it needs to be.
I have some stocks on there, but it's stuck on there because there's no wallet.
Well, in today's episode of this podcast, we're going to be talking about Robinhood, man, and talking and seeing what their new feature that they're going to be featuring in their platform, if it's going to help us, if it's going to hurt us, what it's going to do. We're going to talk about it all today. But if this is your first time here, my name is Mike.
My name is John.
And we are Crypto Logic, the #1 podcast that keeps you informed on what, how, and most importantly, why to invest in a cryptocurrency, man. So let's dive into this article real quick. And then we're going to give our thoughts at the end. Now, we always have some juicy content at the end, so you guys should definitely stick around to the end to find out what that is. But before we actually dive into it, we're actually going to be launching our public Discord, which is going to be completely free for everyone who wants to sign up. When are we launching that?
August 1st.
August 1st? Okay, so August 1st, we're going to be launching the public Discord, and it's basically just going to be a place where you guys can go to have your questions answered, especially if you're a new investor or, a veteran. You guys can just be around like-minded people. It's very helpful. I wish I knew about Discords and stuff like that, or crypto Discords in general. When I first got into it, it really does help out, especially if you have a bunch of crypto questions. But the article starts off by saying, and I think this is Vlad saying this, we've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes to provide our crypto customers with the functionality that they've been asking for. Now, that's a funny statement because a lot of people have been asking for wallets. I don't know if they're really asking for what they're talking about in this crypto volatility thing. I think people would be asking for wallets because they try to get their stuff off of Robinhood.
Getting mine off, but Robinhood's gonna lose a lot of money if they make a wallet right now.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense. It makes sense. I mean, because
many people are just gonna get off of Robinhood.
I'm just saying.
It's my opinion.
This is not a video to bash Robinhood at all. But personally, just me speaking, it's not John's opinion. This is just mine. I don't like Robinhood. It every time there's when we so we did a video talking about buying the rumor, selling the news, basically, right? And every time you want to sell the news, you're not able to because of some freakish software update or something happens, or they cut you off for not allowing for you to trade at this certain price. It's just really annoying. And when
there was a when Doge was pumping, or any GameStop, AMC, and you try to sell or buy whatever, they suspend the transaction. Whatever it is you're trying to do, you can't sell. I think you can't buy on the way up. That was the big issue. People were trying to buy so they could catch the wave up. You couldn't buy.
I don't think you could buy or sell, could you?
I think on some people they could sell, and there were some points where you couldn't do either. You couldn't
even log onto the app.
So it was they were locking it down, and then because the reason what Robinhood does is they front you the money. So when you deposit money onto Robinhood, they front you the money to purchase tokens. Apparently the CEO was like, "Oh, we ran out of cash. We couldn't process more buying for people, so we had to suspend it." They suspended it for 2 days and all that stuff. Remember that whole issue? And then
it was annoying.
They got in trouble in June. They got penalized $70 million because they remember this, they got investigated.
Yeah.
And the app caused widespread and significant harm to thousands of users and exhibited systemic supervisory failures. So they got penalized $70 million.
Which is a slap on the wrist, because they made majority of their money from Dogecoin, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, and then they can just stop and pause when you want to sell and trade whenever the market's like super volatile. And this new feature is supposed to, it says, this is gonna protect future investors. It says it's called the price volatility protection, which would modify certain crypto orders depending on fluctuations in price. A message in the feature's code says Robinhood may sometimes skip your recurring orders or buy less than your chosen amount to protect trades from price volatility, but will inform users before taking such action and never purchase more than the amount selected.
So is it basically supposed to actually work when you buy?
So when you have because on Robinhood you can have orders that just come in automatically, like your dollar cost averaging.
Right.
Depending on how the price is going, it'll skip it. So it's like an algorithm. It's like, oh, it's going up too high, we won't buy for you.
So it's basically trying to be a bot.
Essentially, yeah, I guess so. It's like, oh, it's going up too high, it's not smart for you to buy right now. Or you will never buy less than your chosen amount.
I mean,
so if you have a set amount of $50, hey, I want to spend $50. Either that or the price. I think it's the price. So it's just interesting what the hell they're trying to do. I guess it is a bot, because what are they trying to do? No
one's been asking for that. I mean, I don't know, man. I think Robinhood is like grabbing at straws because they're trying to get all of the crypto investors in.
I'm like, buy less than your chosen amount. Is that the amount of money you're trying to buy, or the less amount of the price that you're trying to target?
Maybe it's like you tell it, I want a certain amount.
Because it says it'll skip recurring orders. So the thing, whatever this code they're gonna put in, if the market is just going up and down, and you have like a weekly set of recurring orders, it'll skip the order if the price is either going too high or, I mean, you would want to buy when it goes low. So I'm assuming it makes sense that if it's going up too high, it wouldn't buy, because that's not smart to buy that high. If
your dollar cost averaging, what does it matter?
That's why I don't know. But then it says, or buy less than your chosen amount. That's the part I don't understand. Is it the amount of your recurring price? Like, okay, I only want to spend $50, so it will never buy less than $50, or is it, okay, my price point is, if it hits $7.50, I like, don't buy over $7.50. If this token is whatever it is, $7.50, don't buy over $7.50.
I don't know. Maybe it's a bot. Maybe they're creating a bot for crypto, because I know they have a bot for.
That doesn't make sense to me. It won't buy less. I mean, sometimes skip your recurring orders or buy less than your chosen amount.
I mean,
I don't know.
Me personally, this doesn't do anything for me. Like, this doesn't.
I don't even use it.
This is not something where it's like, oh my god.
I'm like, I don't understand this. Like, it's just weird.
I think they're trying to capture the newer investor, right? Like, so the people that know about crypto know about wallets, and they know about exchanges and things of that nature, and they know that Robinhood does not have that. So those people will steer clear away from Robinhood. But for those people who want to basically get into crypto because they don't want to miss the wave, they will go on Robinhood, because it's probably arguably one of the easiest platforms to get into, next to Webull. And Webull's easy as well, but it's a little bit more, it looks a little different.
Yeah, Robinhood's when you buy stocks or whatever, like, I'm not sure how that works in that regard, if you actually own the stock.
No, you don't.
But I know that, what do you think? You don't own the stock?
I don't think so.
I know that in crypto, you don't own the crypto, you own the derivative. So that means that you own like it says, hey, you technically on paper you own this crypto, but you actually don't have the coin. Like, you can't move it anywhere you want. You can't put it on a private wallet or anything. You can't move it to Trust Wallet, MetaMask, a ledger. You can't move it to a different exchange. It's just a derivative, which means it's based off of something else. So it's like a piece of paper says, Robinhood says, here, this piece of paper that we're gonna sign, it says, hey, you own this amount of this token. But you don't actually own the token. It's like you just own the paper that says you own it. So it's just I'm trying to find out if they break it down more, like what it is that they're trying to introduce here, because this is
I mean, as of late,
volatility protection. I mean, they already do that crap when the price goes up. They don't let you buy or anything.
I mean, Robinhood as of late, man, has been just doing like some questionable stuff. Like they put out Robinhood COO said that we need to enable more women to trade crypto, basically because they got some figures and saying, you know, during the pandemic and everything, that the number of women using the trading app has more than tripled, representing a 369% increase year after year. In addition to the platform reporting in March that 40% of its active female customers were trading crypto. So, I mean, like, I don't get it. Like, are they like, who are they targeting? They just been doing a whole bunch of like mumbo jumbo.
They're doing a roundup investments that will allow users to invest their spare change in specific stocks.
It just
would let this new feature would let customers invest spare change and better protect against volatility in cryptocurrency trading.
Honestly, Robinhood, I mean, I see
a rewards program too.
I see what they're doing and what they want to do. I mean, their head is in the right place, but until they actually get wallets to where people can trade their cryptocurrency in and out of that platform, they're gonna still clear from it.
It says investing spare change has become an increasingly popular strategy for new stock traders and is a key piece of competing apps.
But isn't it like Acorn?
Yeah, Acorns, Chime, and Wealthsimple. The code in the Robinhood app doesn't indicate where the spare change will come from, but other apps typically connect to a debit or credit card. They round up purchase to the nearest dollar and automatically invest that difference. For example, if a user spends $3.75 on a cup of coffee, 25 cents will be put toward a chosen stock.
Why wouldn't it be 75 cents? Oh no, $3.74. Never mind. I'm tripping.
You're rounding.
Yeah, you're rounding up to $4. I mean, I don't know, man.
They're probably supposed to IPO next week too.
Who?
Robinhood. They've been trying to IPO all month. They've been getting like pushed back because of things that they need to clear up before they can finish. But supposedly by next week they're ready to go. They're gonna IPO just like how Coinbase IPO. They're gonna go public. They're gonna go public so you can invest into Robinhood. Like, I mean, invest into Robinhood, the stock, the company itself.
I wouldn't necessarily mind that. I would probably invest into Robinhood, but not invest my money on Robinhood's platform, at least until they get a wallet. Now, once they get a wallet, it's game over. You know what I'm saying? I might go back, but until that wallet comes, I'm steering clear from it because you don't even own the crypto that you bought with your hard-earned money. Like, what's the point of going to Robinhood where you don't own it? You can't move it. You only have to sell it, which will cause a tax burden. Like, you would have to pay taxes on that if you sold it. And on top of that, Robinhood reports directly to the IRS, so you can't just sit there and be like, "Oh, I didn't do anything."
It's saying that to protect your orders against price volatility, we may sometimes skip your recurring orders or buy less than your chosen amount. So what that means is they're gonna, if the price is going up or it's too volatile, it's going up and down really fast, or it's like going up really fast, like super fast, they will skip that order. Like if you have a recurring order, like your dollar cost averaging, they'll skip it.
Right.
And then also it will buy less than your chosen amount. Like it will literally buy less than the amount that you have set, just to keep you from buying
going over
too high. Yeah. And then it will never buy more than a user's chosen amount. So if you're trying to buy this amount of stock or this amount, it'll never make you spend more than what your cap is. Because if you're saying, hey, I want to buy $3, it at $3, and all of a sudden it goes like $7, it won't buy more than $3.
Yeah, it sounds like a bot to me.
Pretty much, yeah. I guess I mean, like you said, I agree with you. It's something within their system. So I'm not sure per se if it's like an actual bot. It's just the way that the app is going to be run. I mean, I guess it could be a bot if you think of it that way, but I think it's just going to be built in.
But really, honestly, who was asking for this? Like, since you've been in the crypto space, who's been asking now?
I don't use Robinhood. I just have my some stocks there, and then I have my Ethereum there. That
Now, as of late,
it's in
a lot of
jail,
people
man.
have been talking, like I've been on TikTok, and a lot of people have been talking about bots, like using bots to trade their crypto. And but the bots that are trading crypto seem like they're very smart. Like, oh, they basically do the marketing, like the timing of the market for you. It's pretty interesting. I'm gonna look into those bots, but with Robinhood, I don't see it, man. I mean, if you're a veteran investor, you know you're not going to Robinhood for that. So this is targeted towards like the newer investors that don't really understand crypto yet. Because if they're new and they go to Robinhood because they typed in crypto or whatever, or stocks or investments, Robinhood is gonna pop up. And they're going to click on it and be like, oh, I can buy this crypto from here. But then they realize and do research and they're like, oh, crap, I can't sell this. I can't move this without selling it. And if I sell it, I'm gonna have to pay taxes on it. So, you know, me personally, I don't see this as a helpful towards Robinhood. I still think it's a terrible platform. That's just my 2
I don't think
cents.
it's a terrible platform. I just think it's useless for crypto right now. It's
Facts.
something that is useless for crypto.
But it's even more so than crypto, though. Like they always have these random outages where you can't sell or buy or do whatever you want. It's always some software update or software issue. Like, you're a multi-billion-dollar company. Why the hell are you still having software issues? I don't understand.
Yeah.
That's just me, man. It's just one of those things, man. It's like, why put your money into a place where you can't really ever know if your money is going to be safe, quote unquote? Like, if you, like all those people on Dogecoin, when it went up to like 73 or 76 cents,
Yeah.
people weren't able to buy, people weren't able to sell. She was blocking out, it was doing weirdness.
I was able to sell.
Yeah, I sold too. I ain't gonna hold you. But
I remember some parts where you couldn't sell or buy.
it was just really annoying. And they've been known for that. And they have a saying that shame on what is that? Shame on me or whatever.
Fool me once.
Fool me once. There you
Shame
go.
on you. Fool me twice. Shame on me.
There you go. I'm not getting fooled again. 3 times is over, dude. I'm not getting fooled again. And I had the opportunity to sell and I sold. So Robinhood, you'll probably never see $1 from me unless you get a wallet and you start listing other cryptos that are actually, like, I'm pretty sure they're gonna do like a Bitcoin. If they already probably have Bitcoin, Ethereum.
Yeah, they have
all
Bitcoin,
of those.
They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic.
Yeah, they have the basics, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna get a lot more once they have wallets and stuff like that.
Yeah, there's no point for them to have anything other than those if they don't have any wallets. But
right.
They have like all those Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, XRP. They have XRP too.
Yeah, pretty dope. But we're interested to know what you guys think, man. Do you think this is good for Robinhood? Do you think it's trash for Robinhood? Would you actually use Robinhood now that this feature came out about the crypto volatility, basically them making a bot? I don't know. You let us know down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching. We do hope you guys found some value. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, man. It really does help us out. And it allows for other people to see this message so they can make their decisions based off of, their research and their understanding of what's really going on. Now, we did let you guys know about the Discord on August 1st. If you guys want to join that, the links will be down in the description down below. You guys could check out all those. Also, for the new investors, if you guys want to get into crypto, you decided you want to pull the trigger, we have a link for Uphold, which will basically give you some free Bitcoin, depending on how much you deposit. And then we have a crypto.com as well. And that one you get free $25 when you sign up. So you'll get $25, I'll get $25. It's like an even handshake. So if you guys want to use those links, it'll definitely help us out. Yeah, I'll let them know about the Bitcoin. So thank you guys all so much, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. Be safe. Peace.